In this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the process of transferring information and content from a course on the archive server into a current Moodle course. So what you're going to want to do first of all is navigate to the Moodle site, and you can get there by going to moodle.gusdavis.edu and logging in if prompted. From here, we're going to want to access the archive server. So there's a few ways to do that. The first one is on the right. You can open the drawer and you can go down to the Moodle archive server and click on Fall 22 through Summer 24. Another option is scrolling down, and in the Q&A, there is a link here for the Moodle archive server. So go ahead and open up that site. And what you want to do is you want to open up the course that you want to transfer the information from. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my course here. And from here, I'm going to click on More, and I'm going to go down to Course Reuse. From here in the upper left-hand corner, I want to choose Backup from the option. I want to keep the default settings, and I want to go ahead and click on Jump to Final Step. Now, what that does is it'll download and back up all of the information. It's better to have all of our files and all of the quizzes, all of the activities and resources there, and then delete it from the new course rather than trying to pick and choose and forget something. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue. And if I scroll down under User Private Backup area, I am going to see a backup here, and it's going to have the name of my course right here, and then it's going to end in MBZ. Look at the date to make sure you're downloading the correct one. So I'm looking, it's today's date. And then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click on download. Now this will automatically place it into the downloads folder. Now, if you've already downloaded this and you have it in your Google Drive, this process from here on out is going to be the same. You're going to just want to go to your Google Drive and download that file so you have it somewhere on your computer. From here, I'm going to go back into Moodle, and I'm going to go ahead and open up my current Moodle course. So now I want to bring in that backup file. So from here, I'm going to click on More, and I'm going to go down to Course Reuse. From here, I'm going to click on Restore. What I want to do now is I want to drag that file right into this box under Upload a Backup File. So I'm going to grab my download folder, and I'm going to drag it right into there. Now, this might take a few minutes, a few seconds to upload this information. Once it's uploaded, I can go ahead and click on Restore. Now, there's a few steps walking through here. You can see the steps up here. I'm just going to go through here. Basically, it's going to show me everything that it's going to copy over. I'm going to scroll down and click on Continue. On this page, I can restore as a new course, but that's not what I want to do. I want to restore into this course, and I want to make sure it says merge the backup course into this course. I do not want to choose delete content to this course and then restore, because that will delete any content that I have in my course, including enrollments. So I want to make sure I merge the backup course in this file into this course and click Continue. From this option, I can go ahead and again, it's just going to check the options that I'm including. I'm going to go ahead and click on Next. And then the last screen here is I can choose to copy over everything. One thing you may not want to choose to copy over is the announcements, because we have a new announcements in this course. By not copying over the announcements for the next one, that way you just don't have duplicates. So you can uncheck announcements if you want. If you look through here and you decide that you don't want anything else, you can uncheck it. And at this point, you can go ahead and click on Next. And then this last screen is just a verification, just walking you through everything. You can scroll down. And finally, at the bottom, you will have a Perform Restore option. Go ahead and click on that, and this restore process will be in process. Now, this might take a few seconds, it might take a few minutes, just depending on the size of your course. It is nice because in this version of Moodle, you can go back to your course and continue working, and all of that content as you refresh your screen will automatically be there. So once the process is completed, it will tell me it's done. I can go ahead and click on Continue. It'll take me into my course, and now I'll just want to make sure to look at it and make sure all of my material copied over and that it functions appropriately. One last thing that you might have to do is actually go in here and edit your due dates for your assignments, things of that nature. If you have any questions on this process, please contact the GTS helpline at 6111 or at helpline@gusdavis.edu. Thanks so much.